Hey y'all, so I went to Kroger today. I just got a couple of things. So I'm not a chocolate person, but I do know that dark chocolate is really good for you. So I wanted to try a different type of granola. This is a double chocolate. I really hope this is good because chocolate is not, I'm not a chocolate person, but I hope that's good. These drinks are really, really good. I went and got some food from Pearson Road, 100% apple juice. Y'all know I drink a lot of water, and I'm just not finding out that water don't got no electrolytes. Believe it or not, I really never even cared about that. I just don't do like pop and juice and all of the things like that often. But lately I have been needing some electrolytes, and I don't really eat meat like that, certain type of meats. So my doctor had been telling me that, like, girl, you need to eat a little beef or you need to do something. So sometimes I listen, sometimes I don't. But I'm starting to listen now since I'm getting a little older. So um, I got a protein drink, and like with my water and stuff, I can just do more stuff, or maybe like Gatorade. Like this is what I'm drinking right now. So probably Powerade. Just every now and again, I'll probably grab something like that. But I'm gonna have a cucumber, garlic. I'm probably gonna eat a couple of these bulbs raw. I haven't did that in a while. I'm probably gonna eat some of that raw. Tomatoes, a couple of avocados, really good avocados, red onion, really delicious. These are really amazing. Also learning about some feminine hygiene health, that probiotic, prebiotic gut health. It's really going to be good for the lady downstairs. So, and this is a really good brand. If you see this, girls, go ahead and grab these. I got two of these. Really, really good. These both are amazing. Of course, I got some honey for whatever, pineapple. I got the light. I was looking for the organic. They did not have the organic, which the light is still good for me. I love these bags, especially when they on sale, honey. I just make sure that, it's not giving old or bitter. That's giving all right. It's giving a couple of days. And then I got the sweet kill. Yeah, it's giving you gonna have to smash. um, and then I just got some croutons. They did not have my fake bacon bits. I'm so hot about that. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Just a little grocery haul today. I'm about to get me. That's what I'm gonna make back here. I got some chamomile tea, and then I got some cranberry pills. I got some of them up in there, taking those also. But I'm about to make this tea real quick. I'm gonna make this with some honey, so just to calm down the day. Even though it's early, I'm looking forward to just having a relaxing day. Been kind of busy, been kind of thinking a little bit too hard. So yeah, I'm gonna calm down the day with that chamomile, some honey, and then that's pretty much it. So I just wanted to stop by and just show y'all a little grocery haul. I love you. God bless you, and I will talk to you in the next video. Mwah.